Remote Solutions. Checking equipment status from a remote location. Monitoring equipment and sharing information on a larger scale. Monitoring errors without going to the shop floor. Are you facing any of these challenges on a shop floor? GOT Remote Solutions solve shop floor challenges. Checking equipment status from a remote location. To check equipment operating status, it's necessary to go to the shop floor. It's difficult for one person to manage several lines. GOT Mobile solves the challenge. With the GOT Mobile function, the status of equipment on the shop floor can be checked via on-site GOT from a remote location using a web browser on information devices. Up to 5 information devices can simultaneously access a single GOT so that you can monitor and operate a different screen on each device. With the GOT Mobile function, the status of connected factory equipment can be remotely monitored via on-site GOT using a common web browser on a tablet or personal computer. In addition, by collecting the GOT information from the shop floor on a personal computer and showing it on a large monitor, you can easily build an end-on system and share information without a lot of work. Monitoring equipment and sharing information on a larger scale. Checking the status of several lines or the entire factory. GT SoftGOT2000 and GOT Mobile functions solve the challenge. GT SoftGOT2000 is an HMI software that allows functions equivalent to GOT2000 to be used on a personal computer so that you can collect information from shop floor FA equipment and visualize various information. In addition, since up to 15 information devices can simultaneously remotely access GT SoftGOT2000 information when the GOT Mobile function for GT SoftGOT2000 are used, remote monitoring and information sharing on large systems can be performed. By adding the GOT Mobile function to a shop floor monitoring system that utilizes GT SoftGOT2000, larger scale status monitoring and visualization of the entire factory can be performed. Monitoring errors without going to the shop floor. Every time an error occurs, it's necessary to go to the shop floor to determine the status. If there was any way to check shop floor errors remotely, Pocket GOT solves the challenge. Pocket GOT is a mobile application for Android OS. It enables notification of the mobile terminal when an error occurs on the shop floor, creating reports of inspection results and error occurrence status on the mobile terminal, and information sharing. Even for factories where entry is not easy, such as food factories, etc., since the remote mobile terminal can receive sound, vibration, and banner notification of equipment errors by the GOT, error occurrences won't be overlapped. Also, since the notification can be received simultaneously by 20 people, it contributes to timely information sharing and reduced downtime. The Pocket GOT working memo function allows shop floor inspection results or error occurrence status to be stored as text and images. The saved working memos can be sent to the on-site GOT and collected by IQ Monozukuri Process Remote Monitoring, allowing you to check them collectively on a personal computer and to create reports for each date, time, and place. Timely monitoring of errors and the sharing of daily inspection results or error occurrence information will expand applications for remote monitoring. GOT's abundant remote solutions realized by linking mobile terminals using GOT2000 and GT SoftGOT2000 solve shop floor challenges.